Dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, we have a great example from the scriptures to love Jesus in our day to day mannerism. Martha, Mary, and Lazarus belong to a family of love. Love among them and love for Jesus. Martha welcomes Jesus in her house. See the attitude of Martha, a welcoming attitude, welcoming God in her house. And Mary immediately bows in prayer, in listening to the word of God.